Stop! Put down your old, tugging, barely charging beard trimmer. What you're using right now is about to become ancient history. The next generation of grooming tech is just around the corner, and it's not just an upgrade, it's a revolution. We're talking about trimmers with AI that maps your face, lasers that guide your lines, and battery life that lasts longer than your relationship. In this exclusive preview, we're breaking down the top 5 beard trimmers launching in 2026 that will make your daily routine feel like a sci-fi movie. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Let's get into it. Number 1. StyleCraft Rebel Professional. The Rebel trimmer has an engineered super torque motor that offers 7,500 strokes per minute for optimized bulk removal and creating the sharpest lines with a single tap. The stainless steel X Pro wide blade assembled along with our 2.0 shallow tooth cutting blade results in the smoothest, crunchiest cutting with ultra-sharp lines. The fully adjustable blades can be easily zero-gapped with the included zero-gap setter tool/blade cover to ensure blade is perfectly aligned and protect your blade when not in use. The lithium-ion battery delivers up to 3 hours of cordless runtime with a 90-minute recharge time, perfect for the professional barber shop, salon, at home, and on the go. Number 2. Philips Norelco Shaver i9000. Experience a smooth shave that lasts, from day to night. Now, enhance your skincare routine with the new premium click-on skin attachment. The 3-in-1 deep clean brush gently removes dirt, oil, and sweat, while gently massaging the skin. Pair with your favorite skincare for optimal results and a radiant glow. The nanotech precision blades rotate 360 degrees to cut with 165,000 motions per second with fully flexible heads that adapt to every curve of your face for 20% more precision. Featuring Norelco's best triple action lift and cut system, cuts hair is up to 0.08 millimeters below the skin. Powered by AI for optimal skin comfort, the shaver is fully personalized to you with a full-color, customizable display and 5 modes. Kit also includes the world's first UV power charger case to keep your shaver like new and fully charged. The built-in UV technology eliminates 99.9% of bacteria. Fully charge your shaver within 1 hour or plug it in for 5 minutes to get enough power for one full shave. Durability that lasts, backed by a 7 years manufacturer warranty with product registration. Number 3. Wahl USA Pro Series High Visibility. Wahl USA's Pro Series High Visibility Skeleton Extreme Visibility Beard Trimmer for Men is a multi-purpose grooming solution tailored for beards, touch-ups, body grooming, meticulous detailing, and shaving. This kit's remarkable 360-degree blade design provides extreme visibility of the trimming area, ensuring precise, clean cuts every time. This Wahl beard trimmer showcases our innovative Forever blade, with a black diamond hard carbon coating that provides a smoother and cooler cutting experience. The near zero-gap blade design, 0.2 mm, cuts 4x closer compared to Wahl's first-generation standard trimmer blades and some competition. In addition to the close-cutting trimmer blade, this kit also includes a rinseable rotary ear and nose hair trimmer for hygienic trimming of ear and nose hairs, as well as a close-shaving dual-foil shaver head. The heads have never been quicker or easier to change than with the new on-off thumb screw design. Simply rotate a notch to loosen, attach a new head and rotate to tighten. Whether you're at the sink or in the shower, this wet/dry trimmer is waterproof, simplifying the cleaning and grooming process. With its rechargeable lithium-ion battery, enjoy up to 2 hours of uninterrupted runtime on a full charge. It also features a battery charging indicator light. Blinking lets you know it is charging and a solid light lets you know that it is fully charged. Number 4. Panasonic Beard Trimmer. With a high-performance 9,800 cuts per minute linear hair machine motor, the Panasonic Beard Trimmer for Men ERSB40K quickly and comfortably grooms beards, mustaches, and hair. Featuring an ergonomic, rubberized grip and 19 adjustable clipper and trimmer settings, the ERSB40K Men's Facial Trimmer offers an improved cutting edge with ultra-sharp stainless steel, hypoallergenic wide-tip blades to help lift, capture, and cut neatly through even the most unruly hair, including whiskers that lie flat on the skin. The rechargeable trimmer can be used cordless for up to 60 minutes or plugged into any AC outlet for extended use. The Panasonic men's hair and beard trimmer is 100% washable and cleans quickly under running water. Like all Panasonic wet/dry shavers and beard and hair trimmers for men, the blade should be replaced when dull for the best beard trimmer performance. The Panasonic ERSB40K includes a comb attachment, cleaning brush, blade oil, AC adapter/charger and universal voltage for international travel, AC 100-240V. Number 5. Novah Professional Hair Clippers. Our Novah Barber Kit has been meticulously crafted and rigorously tested within some of the most renowned barbershops across the globe. This extensive testing ensures that our products perform at exceptional standards, meeting the demands of both professional barbers and everyday users alike. The professional barber clippers in our sets are utilized worldwide, allowing barbers to provide the ultimate zero-gap cuts for men who take pride in their grooming and style. We are excited to present our most trusted professional cordless hair clippers, now accessible to everyone who desires a high-quality grooming experience at home. Our commitment to excellence is evident in every detail of our design, which has been developed in collaboration with leading barbers in the industry. And that's a look at the absolute future of men's grooming. It's clear that a perfect, salon-quality trim at home is about to get a lot easier. If you're as excited as I am about any of these models, I've made it simple for you. All the direct purchase links, early bird discount pages, and model names are packed into the video description below. If this video saved you from years of outdated tech, do me a solid, smash that like button. It tells YouTube this content is valuable. Share this with your grooming crew and make sure you subscribe and hit the bell, because we're always the first to bring you the tech of tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Stay sharp.